Hello, the purpose of this video is to present the new Jahia 6.5 edit mode. To enter edit mode, users first have to log into the system, then additional options appear on top of the page. They can browse the site as regular visitors, and when they see a page they wish to edit, click on the edit button on top of the screen. The same page then appears in edit mode. In this example, the news page. If they wish to edit part of the page, such as a news item, they can right-click and select the edit option in the menu. A pop-up window then opens, allowing contributors to edit the different attributes of the content item. When saving, the original page will be refreshed and the changes will be displayed instantly in edit mode. To add a new content item, users must switch to the Add Content tab in the toolbar and drag and drop the new content item module in the area where they wish to edit. In this example, we're adding a news item to the news list. When adding an attribute such as an image, the system will display the Document Manager window automatically. Users can then select an immediate asset in the Document Manager and use the different thumbnail or detail view to select the right image. They can even crop, rotate, or resize images directly into the server. They can also use the Edit pop-up window to change the layout, view the metadata of a content item, dynamically add tags, they can also manage the categories. Categories are displayed as a tree, can be created and edited in the administration, and each content item or content page can be associated with one or several categories. Options such as dynamically created Google Analytics tags can also be activated, and of course the access rights for a content item or content page can be edited in the Edit pop-up window. Once changes have been made to the page, contributors can switch to preview mode to preview their changes. Of course, the original page is still unchanged because the changes have not been published to the workflow. They can also access compare mode to compare two different versions of the same page. In this example, we're comparing the staging version and the live version. Highlighting can be activated to accurately show the differences between both versions, which is very useful for an editor in charge of validating or refusing a contribution. The Translate interface allows contributors to easily translate a content item by seeing the different attributes side by side in both languages. Contributors can add not only content modules, but also modules that deliver advanced functionality, such as the calendar module that allows for calendar browsing of a content list. Here we're dragging and dropping calendar module on the right column and associating it with the news list on the same page and mapping the start date and end date in the calendar with the dates of the content items. If we now switch to preview mode, the calendar module allows for flawless calendar browsing, and when clicking on a date, only the content item of that date will be displayed. Edit mode can also be used to edit areas and activate or deactivate functionality for each area on the page. Here we're activating automatic ordering based on the news date in this example. The general layout of the page can also be modified by selecting view options. Here we're switching the layout on two columns. Of course, changes to be displayed in live mode must be first published to the workflow. To publish the changes, we have to switch back to the content tree and right-click on the page, click the Publish option in the menu, and then click the Start Workflow button. This will start the workflow in the background. Publication status can be displayed over the page as layers. Same as workflow status. This way, the contributors and the editors can see very easily what has changed since the last publication on the page and clearly decide if they approve or reject the changes. To approve or reject changes, editors must open the workflow dashboard, and for each workflow instance appearing in that list, they can decide to approve or reject. Once they approve, in the background, the system will publish the changes that will then appear instantly in live mode. So this was edit mode in Jahia 6.5. Thank you for watching.